Hey everyone! Today we're counting down the top 9 toaster oven and air fryer combos to upgrade your kitchen. Don't forget to check the links in the description starting. Number 1. Geek Chef Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. Kicking off our list is a fantastic all-rounder. This 16-quart unit packs 5 essential functions into a compact countertop footprint, letting you air fry, bake, toast, broil, and warm with ease. The stainless steel finish looks great in any kitchen, while the high-powered convection fan ensures your meals cook evenly and come out deliciously crispy without extra oil. It's ideal for smaller households wanting fast, healthy, and hassle-free meals every single day. Number 2. Emeril Lagasse 26QD Oven. If you have a big family to feed, this massive 26-quart powerhouse is a game-changer. The elegant French doors open simultaneously, giving you easy access to a spacious interior that easily fits a full meal. With 24 preset cooking functions, a dual-speed convection fan, and an included rotisserie set, you can roast whole chickens or air-fry massive batches of fries effortlessly. It brings restaurant-quality versatility straight to your kitchen counter. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER Oven. Next up is a budget-friendly crowd-pleaser built for speed and convenience. The crisp end bake fits a full 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of bread without hogging your entire counter. Its 12-in-1 functionality combined with powerful convection airflow reduces cooking times significantly, giving you that golden, air-fried crunch using little to no oil. It's simple to operate, easy to clean, and perfect for quick weeknight family dinners. Number 4. Breville BOV 900 BSS Smart Oven. For those who want absolute top-tier precision, Breville's Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is hard to beat. Featuring 13 smart cooking functions, including roast, bake, and dehydrate, it uses super convection technology to cut cooking times by up to 30%. The Element IQ system automatically adjusts power to where it's needed most, ensuring flawless results every time. It's a premium, sleek investment for home chefs who demand high performance and maximum versatility. Number 5. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Cuisinart hits the sweet spot between power and practicality with this 1800-watt performer. With a 0.6 cubic foot capacity, it offers 8 versatile functions, including air fry, broil, bake, and warm. The heavy-duty stainless steel build looks sleek, while the intuitive dial controls and 60-minute timer make operation effortless. It delivers fast, whisper-quiet air frying that turns out perfectly crisp wings, veggies, and snacks every time. Number 6. Panasonic FlashXpress Oven. If speed and compact size are your main priorities, Panasonic's FlashXpress is iconic for a reason. Powered by 1300 watts and double infrared heating, this compact unit requires zero preheating. It starts cooking instantly. With 6 smart auto-cook presets and precise temperature control, it's unbeatable for reheating pizza, making perfect toast, or whipping up quick snacks. It's an essential, space-saving workhorse for apartment living or busy mornings. Number 7. Cuisinart Convection Toaster Oven. This heavy-duty Cuisinart model is built for serious cooking volume. Boasting 15 cooking functions and exact heat technology, it maintains precise temperatures throughout the cycle. The spacious non-stick interior easily accommodates a 13-inch pizza or a full-size roast chicken. Plus, dual-cook functionality lets you run 2 different functions at consecutive temperatures, taking the guesswork out of complex dishes. It's a reliable, feature-packed appliance for any home cook. Number 8. Emeril Lagasse 26QD Oven. Making another deserving appearance on our list, this 26-quart Emeril Lagasse unit remains an absolute favorite for high-capacity cooking. The dual-speed fan lets you control airflow intensity depending on whether you're delicate baking or high-heat air frying. Combined with its smooth French door access and rotisserie feature, it seamlessly replaces multiple kitchen appliances, making it a powerful, all-in-one solution for hosting dinner parties or prepping weekly meals. Number 9. Geek Chef Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. Rounding out our list is another look at the reliable Geek Chef 16-quart combo. It strikes a perfect balance between user-friendly design and solid cooking performance. The 5-in-1 dial controls keep things simple, while the efficient convection system circulates hot air rapidly for even browning. If you want a dependable, attractive countertop oven that handles daily toaster and air frying duties without breaking the bank, this one is well worth a look. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gadget reviews every week.